opinion, would you give a cheater second chance? Yes or no?
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
Your husband cheated on you, right? Would you give a cheater second chance?
You?
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Since birth?
Yes po.
I'm so proud of you. Hi! Welcome back to the FUENTES Family Channel. And again, this is Lorie. In today's video, we will ask Filipino women, would they give a cheater second chance? So let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Ina.
Ina. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
21.
21. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
Um, ayoko kasi magka-jowa.
Ano, since birth?
Oh.
Oh, so you never had boyfriend before?
Oh.
I see. In your opinion, would you give a cheater second chance? Yes or no? Kapag niloko ka na ba, taon mo ba ng second chance yung boyfriend mo? Yes or no?
Hindi na po.
No. Okay, why did you say no? Yata.
Kasi nagloko siya. Tapos, hindi ko na pwede siya na balikan.
Bakit?
Nagloko kasi siya. Ayoko na.
Oh,
Ayoko na sa kanya.
because he cheated, so she doesn't like him no more. What is your name?
Suzette po.
Suzette. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
Feeling good.
You're feeling good. You have class?
Yes po.
Even it's Sunday? Wow. What subject?
Major subject po, EE4.
Oh, I see. And you're studying at Partida State University.
Yes
What
po.
course are you taking?
Bachelor of Elementary Education po.
So you're gonna be a teacher.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, that's wonderful, Suzette. Anyway, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old
20
po.
years old. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Since birth?
Yes po.
I'm so proud of you. Your parents must be very proud of you. So you're prioritizing your studies at the moment, right?
Yes.
Would you give a cheater a second chance?
For me, no. I would never give a chance someone like a cheater.
Why?
For for me lang po kasi they say na once a cheater, always a cheater. So for me, hindi na natin dapat pa bigyan ng second chance ang isang cheater kasi hindi na dapat sila bigyan ng pagkakataon pa kasi for me kasi parang nasaktan na nila yung girl, yung ganyan, pero so yun para pa sa amin.
So it's like damage has been done.
Yeah.
So for Suzette, she shouldn't give second chance to someone that hurt her, right?
Yes.
Or cheated on her. I see. You don't believe that people would change or could change, something like that?
Pwedeng yes, pwede silang mag-change pa pero para lang talaga sa akin ate, hindi na po talaga.
So for her, yes, they can change, but for her, she wouldn't give someone a second chance. What is your name?
Almira po.
Almira. Very beautiful name. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Ma'am Elmira?
28 po.
28. You're married, right? Okay. Do you have kids?
2.
Wow, 2 kids. Do you have like job?
Jobless.
Housewife.
Yes.
Here is the question, Mom Almira. This is good for her because she's married. Okay, she's in a relationship. The question is, would you give a second chance? Would you give a cheater a second chance?
Sa na-experience ko, yes, binigyan ko ng chance at nagbago naman. Okay naman. Ganda naman takbo.
So based on her experience, your husband cheated on you, right? And then he changed. So yeah, she gave him a second chance and he changed. So you're lucky.
He's lucky.
She said he's lucky. How many times your husband cheated on you, ma'am?
Hindi ko alam. Pero ang alam ko is 1.
One time,
One time.
after ng married namin.
Oh my God. So what she said, I asked her if how many times her husband cheated on her, and then she said she doesn't know, but she only knew one. Who knows? But he cheated on her after they got married.
Yeah.
That's very sad. Okay. Do you have like any message to cheaters?
Siguro isipin na lang nila yung nararamdaman ng isang nanay o nanay nila kung chinit ng father nila yung nanay nila. Ganun.
So her message is, for those men who are cheaters, think about your mothers. What if your mother was cheated by your father? Ate, what is your name po, ate?
Gina Mahinay.
Gina?
Gina.
Gina. Nice to meet you po, ate Gina. Kamusta? How are you, ate?
Ayos lang.
Ate is okay. How old are you, ate?
42.
42. And you're married, ate?
Mm.
How long have you been married?
2 years pa lang, pero ano na kami nag-ibahan? 21?
Wow! 21 years together, but 2 years that you're married together. Okay. What is the secret of long marriage, ate?
Siyempre, love.
Love. Yes, good. Love. Okay. And how many kids do you have, ate?
5.
Five kids. Okay. Ate, here's the question, ate. Would you give a cheater second chance? Tatawan mo pa ning chance ang cheaters.
Iyo, siyempre, lalo kung may pamilya ka na, nagloko ang ako, mataw kang chance. Maski pa nga minsan, paulit-ulit kang lokohon, dahil sa pamilya mo, sa mga akik mo, mataw kang chance. Pero depende.
Depende. So ate said yes, she would give a chance, especially you have a family, you have kids like that, right? So for her, like it's based on your experience, ate, right? Like even he will cheat on her like many times, but it depends. Depende sa ate. Depends to what?
Depende sa pagluloko niya baga na. Siyempre, kung ang pagluloko niya dahil man siya nakipag, sa mga churro-chat lang na pagluloko, mga ano ka. Lang. Pero kung siguro, kung mahuli ko, siyempre, pakulogan doon.
So, if it's only like chat, it's okay. But if ate found out that, like it's something serious, then she'll get hurt. I think, I think, yes. I
Pero
think,
mataw manggiraray na chance kung kaipuhan.
but she will still give chance if it's needed.
Siyempre, isa yan, gustong maging broken family ang ano mo. Siyempre, lalo na sa mga dahil ang kayang tanggap mo ka mga
And ate added that because who wants to have a broken family, and then the children, they're the one who's, they can't, what do you call it, accept it, right? Like the fact that their parents are going to break or something, break up like that. Ate, thank you so much. Salamat.
Yellow is creeping through, but it's easier to put it in my